look at these jewels. They are so big and so heavy. And then I picked this bow tie because I think it will, I just think it complements it pretty well. So these are the two I'm gonna be working with tonight. But I found this beautiful little bunny image. Isn't he precious? I found him online. All you have to do really is just Google searches of what image you want, and then just make sure that it's something that's not copyrighted or trademarked or whatever. You want to make sure it's a free image. All right, so now what I did with this little guy, because he was on white background, it made it a little bit difficult to use him because of what I'm going to do. So here's what I did with him. Looks a little funny, but y'all, it was a lot of intricate cutting because he has so much little kind of fur. It's hard to see on camera, but I did my best to cut him out, trying to pick up all the little pieces of fur. I just kind of used my scissors and went in and kind of got the delicate pieces. You know, you can do that, or you could just cut him out and not worry about all those little pieces. But that's how I cut him out. And here's my idea for this little guy. Y'all that know me know that I work with these all the time. You can get them at, this particular one came from Dollar General. It's just a piece of wood, and usually what I do is I whitewash it. So that's what we're gonna do with this. And I'm gonna remove, we're gonna use it opposite and hang it like this. So let me remove this twine right quick on the back. They just staple it on. So it's alrighty. So I think for now I'm gonna go ahead and adhere this back. Now y'all can use a really pretty ribbon. I've done that before too, but just for time's sake right now, it is easier if you go ahead and add it before rather than later, because I've gotten all the way through my project and then I can't flip it over very easy. So I'm just gonna take my little, it's kind of loud, take my little staple gun here and just do the same thing they did, basically, only going the other way. And I'm just gonna go ahead and whitewash this. Let's go ahead. This is just Anita's. I get it at Hobby Lobby. I like it real well. It has a good thickness to it. So I'm just gonna, we're not gonna make, you know, take great pains with it. We're just gonna put it on here. Okay, I just kind of wiped that. If I hadn't gotten so heavy-handed with it and poured so much, it would have been fine just to go ahead and use the brush. But you can do it however you see fit. Some people like to use a sponge. Some people like to put it on another way. Kind of got the top of that. But the whole point is we want it to look a little bit weathered. All right, let's see. I think that's gonna be dry enough. So this is what we have. It's just a little bit of acrylic paint to make it look weathered. I'm just gonna take this bunny that I cut out and we're gonna decoupage him on top of this wood here. I just thought he was cute. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Just a cute little bunny. I might try this one. Let's just see. Put a little bit of rustic with a little bit of glam. I'm gonna go ahead and put little dovetails on the ends of these, but on this kind of material, if y'all have ever worked with it, you know, you can't really tell when it's dovetailed, but we're gonna do it anyway. And we're just gonna do a simple little kind of a bow tie bow where I squish it in the middle, pinch it, and then take some twine. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put this on here. He is wrinkling a little bit. I'll have to go back and kind of fix him. Put this on here. Gotta get my little finger protector so I don't burn myself. We're gonna let that kind of adhere for a minute. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna give him a cute little bow tie on top of this little bow tie thing that we made on here. Bow tie bow, whatever you want to call it. Now we're going to give him a really pretty crown. These are quite substantial, I'm telling you, these pieces. You're going to love them. Let's hold that on for a minute. Hold that on there real well. Oh, that's cute. That's what we have so far. Isn't he cute? Can y'all see that? Oh my goodness, she's a fun little bunny. But it would be cute if you have a Cricut or something, you could put your, like your child's name, or maybe a little saying like, you know, Happy Easter or something like that if you want to use it for Easter.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.